Let's learn گوشه مغلوب in دستگاه سگاه. It's going just to be started like مخالف. From F and E quarter tone, Fa and Mi koron, and then it's going just to be jump on B flat. So just imagine we were in Segah in La koron, and we are going just to stay in octave, so we are in Maghloob. Mi, Fa and Fa, Mi, and then Si, La, Sol, La, Si, La, Sol, Fa. Stay on Fa. And again, we are going just to stay in Mukhalif area, like Fa, but how we are going just to recognize what Gusheh is, this one is. So we are going just to start it from F, and then going go to B flat, stay on A quarter tone, the same as Segah, but in octave, and then we are going just to stay in F again. So we are in Gusheh Maghloob. Let's play it from the beginning. It is so short, so we are going just to memorize it very fast. Because Gusheh Maghloob was so short, let's continue with another Gusheh called Naghmeh-e Maghloob. So it is Maghloob, the other one, because it has a specific rhythm on it, we call it Naghmeh, Naghmeh-e Maghloob, and it is like that. Of this, and then back to the rhythm, and again no rhythm, again back to the rhythm, one step higher, A flat, so it is enough so far, because we just wanted just to see how we are going to play Naghmeh with a specific rhythm in the first finger position of Gusheh Maghloob. Another beautiful Gusheh in دستگاه سگاه would be Gusheh Hezin. Let's play it and get the feeling inside. Hezin means like so sad, very, very, very like unpleasant, something like that. Then you can see the melody, how it's going just to cry through the melody. So lots of اشاره from E quarter tone to D quarter tone or F to E quarter tone. It's following by کنده‌کاری. Again. فرود flat. So we backed from Mukhalef, from Maghloob, from those Gusheh, from F and B flat and A to A quarter tone at the top of our setar. So we started from A quarter tone Segah, and then we are going just to stay for the furud by Hezin. So Hezin is going just to bring us from that all Gushes that are, we are going just to stay on Fa to A quarter tone. This is a specific Gusheh, an important Gusheh that we can use it for furud back to the station or home.